Welcome to our deep dive into the world of credit cards, where we unravel the mystery of managing your finances and credit responsibly. In this video, we'll be addressing a common question. How many credit cards should I have? We'll not only explore general recommendations, but also discuss a strategic approach to using credit cards effectively for both online and offline purchases. So, let's unlock the secrets to smart credit card management. When it comes to credit cards, having a strategic approach can make all the difference. We recommend that everyone consider having at least 2 credit cards, each serving a specific purpose. The first card should have a very low credit limit, perhaps around $2,500 or euros. This card is ideal for online transactions, providing an additional layer of security. In the unfortunate event of a security breach, potential losses are limited to the low credit limit, safeguarding your finances. On the other hand, the second card should be used for in-person transactions and larger purchases. It's your primary spending card for everyday expenses and significant buys. By categorizing your spending in this manner, you create a distinction between online and offline purchases, enhancing your financial security. In the realm of credit card rewards, cashback triumphs over affinity points, especially considering the impact of inflation on point values. Instead of dealing with diminishing returns from affinity points, opt for cashback options. It offers a straightforward and tangible benefit, allowing you to make the most out of your spending. Efficiency should be at the forefront of your credit card strategy. If you're a frequent traveler, or deal with multiple currencies, consider having credit cards in different currencies to optimize efficiency and minimize fees. Each card tailored to a specific currency ensures you won't incur unnecessary conversion charges, adding to your overall savings. Managing credit cards is also about minimizing fees. Diversifying your credit card portfolio can be a smart move, particularly if you travel internationally or have financial dealings in different countries. By carrying cards in multiple currencies, you circumvent currency conversion fees and save your hard-earned money. In conclusion, the magic number of credit cards varies from person to person. However, the essence lies in crafting a strategy that aligns with your financial habits and goals. Whether it's about safeguarding your online transactions, maximizing rewards, or minimizing fees, a thoughtful approach to credit card usage can pave the way to financial empowerment. Thank you for joining us in this insightful exploration of credit card management. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more empowering financial tips. Stay financially savvy.